I don't think there's anything you need to do right now when it comes to AI in order to be able to build a business. But I think as we move forward, those who are early to adapting it and incorporating it into their businesses are going to have a huge advantage over those who are not. Let me ask you about one of the big trends that everybody's talking about recently, which is AI. Are you playing with AI?
Absolutely. Honestly, I'm more into it than you can imagine. One of the reasons I'm up all night, almost every night, is because I'm working with software developers and programmers. I've learned more about programming and developing and spent more money in developing new things in the last few months than I've spent in an entire lifetime. And it's exciting.
So it's part of the reason why you're excited.
Yes.
Is AI.
Yes, part of it. So I think that what happens as an example, AI helps us do some things with the car charging and the infrastructure and the awareness. And I look at other ways that AI helps us as well that we haven't really adapted yet to being off the normal grid of the typical platforms that we can't control, but in new platforms that can use AI better, meaning it gets to know us better so that we're actually only seeing things that actually interest us. And if we don't like something, as if someone doesn't like my Burning Man, for example, they never see it anyways, because AI already figures that out. AI gives you an opportunity. It becomes the little thing that we maybe needed for a long time to actually help with some of these big communication barriers we have.
So question for you, how is it going to find its place inside of network marketing?
What I'd say is think of solutions that you can invest in and be part of that helps to build community and helps to build it better.
Do you need to invest in it or just use it? Like, for example, I'll give you a couple examples. If you need to create some training for your team and you need 5 steps to overcoming procrastination, you could just ask ChatGPT and it'll give you an outline for a training.
Yeah, I know.
And you could plug it into another program that will create a visual presentation for you.
Exactly.
In 15 seconds.
Yes. The reason I feel like it can impact network marketing is getting us more layered in terms of working together as communities. It's going to help us to actually find our tribes easier so that we're gelling with those tribes, but we're all working for a bigger purpose and we're still marching in that order way faster and way more effectively.
I'm saying it in the term, I'll say it in my terms of what you just said. Lead generation is going to be, you're going to be able to find the perfect customer for your product. With a click of a button. I don't think there's anything you need to do right now when it comes to AI in order to be able to build a business. But I think as we move forward, if those who are early to adapting it and incorporating it into their businesses are going to have a huge advantage over those who are not. So that's just a message to leaders. The real movers and shakers inside of our profession are actively involved and they're exploring in every direction how they can incorporate this. Where does the technology end and the human element begin, and how do we blend? Right? That's what the whole conversation that everybody's having.